Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to create at yours template on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm going to click on your story, and then I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to upload this photo, for example, and then before we add the add your sticker or add your template sticker, we have to add a tags, GIF, or maybe music. And I'm going to add tags to my Instagram story. I'm going to use this tags for my add yours template. I'm just going to type all about forest, and then I'm going to place it right here. And after we add tags, GIF or music to our Instagram story, we can go to the sticker section and select templates. Okay, and here we have to pin elements like tags, GIF, images, or music, and anyone can join this template. I'm going to pin this tag since I have added tags to my Instagram story, and now the tag has been pinned and others cannot edit this tags. And then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and now the add yours template has been created. Your followers will be able to use this template for their Instagram story. And then I'm just going to upload it to my story. Click on share template, and we just need to wait until this add yours template has been uploaded to our Instagram story. Now the story is being uploaded, guys. Okay, as you can see, this is the add yours template we have just created, and other can use this template for their Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how you can create add yours template on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.